Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have RADICLE RAD daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go right now with RADICLE USDT chart, and you can see right here that we pumped almost 50% and more. Look at that. From this bottom today, we pumped actually 90% around there, and we have a correction kicking off. Why is that? Because we are facing the 200 moving average. Okay, this is a 200 moving average for RADICLE right here formed, and this is a huge resistance level as well. Let's go a little bit to the 4-hour frame to see if we are capable of going even higher, or we are going to go further down. For now, we are going to draw a nice Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here up to this top. And you can see that for now, at least, we are holding a very huge support line. This is the line of the 3.70 USDT. Now, what is going to happen? Okay, if we lose this line in the 4-hour frame, that means if the candlestick closes below, we are going to go down to the 3.11. I will show you the next targets right after, but let's go a little bit to the daily frame to see the risk that we are having. We are holding a huge risk due to the fact that the RSI is near the 90s. Whenever the daily RSI is going above the 88, always remember that the risk is multiplied. Okay, and you are holding a crazy high risk, and then you are just gambling. Okay, if you want to go long for RADICLE right now, this is just a gamble situation right there that maybe you can take profits, maybe not. Okay, so you have a very split decision, and I would suggest that you do not enter a long position, at least for now. Now, what we need to see on the RADICLE on the 4-hour frame is the fact that we might be holding the 3.70. Okay, it is very important for the 4-hour frame to hold the 3.70, because if we do not hold it, then that means that we might be going down to the 3.118. Okay, so you can see that 3.118 is the next support level, 3.12, 3.118, around there. So anyway, 3.70 is the major support level that we need to hold, but next, if we close below, we are going to go further down to the 3.12. Now, I will be talking about what I think personally about RADICLE. I think that RADICLE is not going to make it even higher, and you need actually to step aside if you haven't done so. So I'm going to draw another tool, this time the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom. I'm going to show you some very important resistance levels for the daily frame. The first one is the 3.60. If we close above the daily frame, above this line, then we have some chances into revisiting the 4.55 and maybe even the 6.31. However, closing below the 3.60 in the daily frame will bring us all the way down into maybe the 2.85 again. Okay, so yeah, I know that it sounds crazily bearish, but I have seen these things playing out. Trust me on that. Yeah, it is possible that if we close below the 3.60, we go down all the way to the 2.85. So I'm going to put a price label on right here as well, so I can show you the craziness and the risk that you are holding by longing now into the RADICLE. Of course, RADICLE is very good at holding the 3.70. However, this could crumble down and we could go further down. I would suggest you to wait a little bit, as things in the market right now are not the best. Of course, RADICLE had made its own impulsive wave, but at this moment we are having such a high risk that I would suggest you stay out a little bit. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.